my camera um, with my Ace 37. Get this off. Okay, it don't come on. What's going on? Hello? Hello? Whew, I didn't think it was coming off. I was like, well, that's permanent. Something's definitely wrong with it. Something's definitely wrong with it. I can't get my footage off my card. The footage won't really. It doesn't come off the card. So, but it's on the camera. I can view it, but I can't get it off the hello. I can't get it off the card. So I don't know what to do. Is this a situation I got to go through? How do we figure this out? It's hard to get information because nobody gives you information. Everybody just wants you to click on their on their page and waste your time on information that doesn't even exist. That they really just don't know. I mean, like, somebody should know at least. I mean, what's the point of making footage of how to get the pictures off your card, and you tell me one way of getting it on and it don't work, and that was the only way. I mean, like, you have no other options. I mean, you should know that you should be able to move this, move that, move this, move that. They have no other options. It's just like, and then you look around and it still don't work. So I'm trying to figure out what I need to do, and it's giving me a headache. And am I going to spend the whole day doing this? I mean, like, come on. I don't know. So I'm at a point where I'm really wondering, Jesus. I think this happened to me before. I can't remember what I did last time. Or do I have it? Do I have it on my big computer?